discovery. This giant humanoid robot covered in centuries of growth.
The massive bipedal robot, designated RC,
Where the massive mecha, designated RC, is being secured inside
We need to reroute auxiliary power to the chest array immediately.
repairs. The massive steel gear is currently being installed into the
Core of the giant robot, RC, a critical step in understanding its.
We are bringing you live coverage of a stunning discovery. This giant humanoid robot covered in centuries of growth was found.
This is unbelievable. The massive entity, designated RC, is now fully airborne. We are receiving reports of
This is an unprecedented operation. As you can see, the massive mecha known as RC is finally being lifted.
In breaking news, the massive bipedal mecha known as RC is currently being airlifted by heavy transport helicopters over the Pacifica cliffs.
This is an unprecedented development. The massive bipedal robot, designated RC, remains stationary.
We are live at the deployment zone where the massive Autobot, RC, is being secured by heavy lift choppers.
Danny, we are following the situation closely as the massive convoy transports the mecha known as RC. This highly anticipated move.
As you can see behind me, the convoy carrying the massive mecha known as RC is making its way along the treacherous dirt roads.
We are live at the entrance where the massive mecha, designated RC, is being secured inside the mountain base.
We are live at the Chimera site. The massive RC automaton is being activated on the central pedestal.
The structural integrity of the mecha is compromised.
We need to reroute auxiliary power to the chest array immediately.
We are live at the hangar where the massive bipedal mecha, designated RC, is undergoing extensive chemical.
Breaking news on the RC deployment. The massive mecha is currently undergoing high-pressure decontamination in the underground facility.
This is a critical moment in the RC repair operation. We are receiving confirmation that the primary hydraulics are.
We are reporting live from the hangar where the massive mecha, RC, is undergoing critical maintenance.
We are live at the hangar where the RC mecha is undergoing crucial repairs. The massive steel gear is currently being installed into the shoulder joint.
We are live at the hangar where the RC automaton is activating. The repaired left arm is fully functional. Officials are. This is a critical moment in the repair of the mecha known as RC. The automated systems are carefully removing the damage. We are live at the hangar where the massive mecha known as RC is receiving vital lubrication.
This is a critical phase for the RC project. The integration of these new heavy-duty beams ensures structural integrity for the massive exoskeleton. Breaking news from the Sector Gamma repair bay. The highly anticipated leg armor for the massive mecha, RC, is currently being installed.
Breaking news from the hangar. The team is accessing the power core of the giant robot, RC, a critical step in understanding its capabilities.
As you can see, the specialized repair arm is carefully removing the burnt stabilizers from RC's chest cavity. This RC, the massive bipedal mech, is currently undergoing critical diagnostics in the main hangar. Engineers expect the repair. Breaking news from the Sector 7 hangar. The highly anticipated activation of the RC mecha is underway.
The massive bipedal mecha known as RC has just completed its diagnostic scan. As you can see by the readings, the structural integrity is optimal.
Live from the site, the final welding on the RC core is underway. Officials state the massive robot should be operational within the.
We are live at the assembly bay where the massive RC unit is undergoing final calibration. The new optical lens is now active.
Breaking news from the Sector 7 repair bay. The massive mecha known as RC is currently undergoing critical maintenance after the skirmish downtown.
Engineers have just begun the complex procedure to repair the battle-damaged mecha known as RC.
Power down the servo, I'm moving the plate now.
We are live at the Axis Industrial Hangar where the massive Autobot, RC, is undergoing critical repairs. We are live at the hangar where the highly anticipated RC robot is receiving its signature pink and white paint job.
Breaking news from the assembly bay, the massive mecha known as RC is receiving its signature coat of vibrant pink armor plating.
We are live at the unveiling of RC, the massive new bipedal mecha expected to turn the tide in the ongoing conflict.
We are live at the unveiling of the colossal mecha, RC, the robot featuring intricate pink and silver.
We are live at the underground facilities where the massive RC mecha is nearing completion. The distinctive
RC, initiate full system startup sequence.
We are live at the activation site as the giant mecha RC begins its boot sequence.
This is a monumental breakthrough, is fully operational. As you can hear, we are live at the scene. The massive mech is finally revealing itself. The doors are opening now.
As you can see, the mecha's optical sensors are now active. This is a critical development. We are urging everyone As you can see behind us, the highly anticipated RC prototype is undergoing its first public activation sequence. Officials are calling this a major step forward.
This is RC, the massive bipedal mecha that appeared downtown this afternoon. Authorities are urging all citizens to remain indoors as we assess the situation.